Yo, welcome guys to another video of fancy setups. In this case, we're going to unbox the RGB fans of GIM that are pretty good for the price. So yeah, let's start with unboxing. We are going to go ahead and open it. And the first thing we see is these three RGB fans. As you can see, with this translucent material over the ring and inside too. And here we have the rubber pads, so the fans make less noises and it's much better. Here we have the third RGB fan. Now let's go ahead and see what we have here. Instructions, the RGB hub, and as you can see, we have here the power, which is connected via SATA, as you can see. And also we have place for 10 fans that are connected with this 6-pin. Also we have here more things such as the reset pins, the 5 volts pins too here, and also for the leather strip. As you can see, we have here 2 spaces, so yeah, pretty nice. Now here we have the cable, and also here we have the RGB controller for the fans. Here we have more screws, well, the 9 screws, as you can see. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to connect the GIM fans to your PC. So yeah, let's start. First of all, we are going to take the SATA and connect it to the PCU. As you can see here, it's quite messy, okay, but there is my PCU, which has here the female SATA port, and here we connect it to the hub, which is going to go directly here. And well, also here we have this connector, so that it syncs with the motherboard. And well, you connect this in your motherboard if you have this type of pin. Or another thing you can do, which is what I'm doing right now, because I don't have that pin in my motherboard, is using this anti hub, which has here the 3-pin connectors for the RGB. So yeah, I just connect it there, and that cable goes here. And finally, we just need to take the cable for the fan and connect it here or whatever you want. And now we're going to see how to, well, you're going to see the process of installation in my PC.